Hey guys, once again welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss in this video series about hubs, switches and VLANs. So let us begin. A hub just forwards the data out of all of its ports, which means the data is sent to all the connected devices, each of which will have to process the data marginally to see if the data is for it or not. When computer A sends data to computer B, the hub receives the data and sends it out to all the devices, including all other computers. A hub in the network provides two types of transmission: half duplex transmission and full duplex transmission. Half duplex means that although data is able to flow in both the directions, it can only flow in one direction at a time. On the other hand, in a full duplex transmission, data can flow in both the directions at the same time. Because of this half duplex limitation and the flooding of data to all devices, a hub network will only allow one device to communicate at any one time. If more than one device communicates at the same time, a collision occurs and the data does not go through. Because of this, all the devices connected to a hub are said to be in the same collision domain. Now let us move towards the concept of switches. So, switches allow for greater network segmentation, and also they offer full duplex communication, which make them more efficient. Switches operate by learning which of its ports a particular MAC address is connected to. Suppose one computer wants to communicate with the other one, then it sends the data to the switch, and the switch looks up which port the other computer's MAC address is linked to, and that is how the both computers will communicate. One of the benefits of using a switch is that all the devices can communicate at the same time. Here, the switch buffers the data until there is a gap in the traffic, and then it forwards it on. This means that every port on a switch is in its own collision domain. A collision will only occur if there is more than one device connected to the switch port, which is very unlikely, and it would involve the use of legacy devices such as hubs or bridges. So in this diagram we can see the different devices have their MAC port listed. That is how they will communicate when connected to a switch. So now let us move towards the concept of VLANs, that is virtual LANs. While switches allowed us to make our networks more efficient through segmentation, they can allow us to segment the network down even further through the use of VLANs. When a device sends out a broadcast transmission, it is sent to every device on the local network. All of the devices receiving that broadcast transmission are said to be on the same broadcast domain. When we implement VLANs, each VLAN is said to be in its own broadcast domain. VLANs allow us to break the network down further. Rather than doing this physically, this is done virtually by configuring the switch. So in this diagram we can see four PCs are there, and they are connected with different switches and with different VLANs with a bridge. These diagrams also show the devices connected in different VLANs. You can see the different color indications like VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Thank you for watching this video, and I do hope you must have learned very well about the hubs, switches and VLANs. So please do put your queries and suggestions in the comment box, and I would definitely love to respond them. So see you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, goodbye, take care.